charged with the offense of evading arrest, detention, vehicle. That's a third-degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand? All right. After reviewing State's Exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. Court will defer finding of guilt as you apply for.
Here's the twist. The court finds enough evidence to convict, but hits pause. This is what's called deferred adjudication. Basically, legal limbo. Follow the rules, and you avoid a conviction. Slip up, you're toast. Question is, will he make it?
Deferred adjudication. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Judge, we just asked the court to follow the recommendations.
All right. How old are you?
18 years old, Your Honor.
Have you graduated?
Yes, GD, Your Honor.
All right. Do you have any children?
No, Your Honor.
So what are you doing with your life other than evading?
Nothing.
Why are you doing nothing with your life?
This defendant isn't hanging around, being around the right friends, Your Honor.
No, because if I were to ask those friends why, and they, you know what they would tell me? The same thing you just said.
This moment right here, silence, blank stares, and the judge trying to reach a kid who's clearly numb. But let's be real. Is this confusion, denial, or just a young man in way over his head?
That you're not the right person to be around. So again, we're back to the question of why are you doing this?
Because it's friendly.
I'm sorry, what? I don't understand.
I don't know, Your Honor.
You don't know why you are in a Challenger going 100 miles per hour? Do you understand the consequences of your action?
Yes.
What are your consequences so far?
3 years. Deferred adjudication.
No. I mean, 3 years is what they're offering you. I don't have to give you 3 years deferred adjudication. So why are you doing this? And why are you in?
Okay, sidebar. What's with the third person monologue? This defendant sounds like someone trying to distance themselves from reality. Drop your thoughts in the comments. Awkward legal formality or nervous deflection?
Portland, Texas, taking somebody's vehicle, then coming to San Antonio, and then driving 100 miles per hour.
I don't know, Your Honor. No reason.
Where are your parents?
His mom's home. This defendant's dad's jail.
Okay, what did he, I don't understand. Why is he referring to himself in the third person? And then not with his name, but as this defendant's dad and this defendant's parents. What's up with this third person thing? I mean, sometimes I speak to about myself in the third person as well, but I'm wondering why is he before me speaking about?
I think he's a little nervous, Judge. Now, we have had discussions regarding this, and I don't think he's come across as he did to me. He's very sorry for what he did. He understands that it was very stupid. That's what he told me. That's a very stupid thing that he did, and he definitely wishes he hadn't done it. He's been in jail for almost 4 months now, Judge, so that's been the consequences. He has seen that he does not want to be here. He wants to get this done, wants to do his deferred, do whatever conditions the court gives him.
All right, when you're talking about this defendant, what defendant are you speaking of? About this defendant's parents? All right, so I'm going to ask you again, and I don't want to hear any of this defendant's this or this defendant's that. I don't want you speaking to me in the third person. You understand?
Yes, sir.
All right, so where are your parents?
Home and in jail.
All right, who's in jail?
My father.
And what is he in jail for?
I don't know.
All right, and where is your mom?
Home.
All right, have you used drugs in the past? You never used drugs whatsoever. All right, and who is Connor, this Daniel Connor Carr? Who is that?
I don't know.
They list him as a suspect in this. Person's involved. Who is that?
So now we've got a stolen car, a cross-city chase, and no clear source. He claims no one gave him the vehicle. Really? Plot twist potential? Or is this just Grand Theft Auto Courtroom Edition?
I love you.
How did you end up in Portland, Texas?
I was never in Portland, Texas.
So where did you get this vehicle from? Because that's where this vehicle came from. This vehicle, the owner did not bring it to Portland, Texas. The vehicle was stolen from Portland, Texas.
I did not steal in Portland, Texas.
So where did you get it from? Corpus Christi? All right, so you got a stolen vehicle from Corpus Christi?
Yes, sir.
And who did you get it from?
No one.
So you just boosted it from Corpus yourself?
Yes.
And where in Corpus? Was it at a restaurant? Was it at a hotel? Where did you boost it from?
Neighborhood.
What, you just walking around the neighborhood looking for a car to boost?
Yes.
Why did you choose a Challenger? Why not the Cadillac?
Bro, this is where it hits deep. The judge isn't just lecturing. He's putting a price tag on life choices. You ever had a moment where someone asked you, point blank, what are you worth? That's what this feels like.
Because you know what the commercial says is true. You know what they say about Cadillacs? It's not a luxury car, it's a Cadillac. What, are Challengers easy to boost? What color was it?
That.
What color was it? Did it have rims? Or was it just factory?
Sure.
The interior, was it leather or fabric? Automatic?
Yes.
All right. How much do you think that car is worth?
20,000.
$20,000? Do you think your life is worth $20,000 or more than 20,000?
No, Your Honor.
No, I mean, is your life worth $20,000? Me, I think my life is priceless, but maybe you only think your life is worth $20,000. Do you think it's worth $20,000 or more?
More.
Do you think your life is worth 10 years at the prison?
No, Your Honor.
Then why are you doing stuff to go to prison? All right. This is what the court is going to do. Court is going to sentence you to a $1,500 fine. That will be probated. Take in consideration 2023 CR 8931, 713250, restitution, and 2003 CR 8931 to Doris Sturgeon and Alejandro Aguirre. There's to be 6 years deferred adjudication, 200 hours of community service restitution. What are you planning on doing with the rest of your life as far as employment is concerned?
I was planning on going to the military, but that's not an option anymore. So I'm probably going to the barber school. And if that don't work out, I'm going to go to a community college for welding.
But I would tell you, the way the world is going now, military may end up accepting you. And I say that in all sincerity. When I was in school, they asked us a question, a group of us. They said, if your government came to you and asked you to serve, would you go? The guy next to me, you know what he said? Most definitely, because if the military is asking for me, they're desperate and we're in dire straits. But also, there are wars breaking up all over, so they may accept you. You can still look into it, you understand? So if you want to go to the military, you go to the recruiting person and say, this is what I have.
Oh, yup, that was a real line. The judge just roasted him with other than Grand Theft Auto. This courtroom is serving up justice with a side of sarcasm, and maybe, it's just maybe, a real shot at redemption with that ready-to-work program.
And I will tell you this, if you go to the recruiter and they say, if you're not on deferred adjudication for this offense, we will accept you, your attorney can come to me and I would strongly consider terminating you early, but only after you have signed the contract to go into the military. Because I know, because I have people who have been in the military, once you sign that contract, your life is theirs. There is no, oh, I want to reconsider my contract. You understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
So if he wants to go in the military, Go to the recruiter and get that done. So there's going to be 200 hours community service restitution. There's to be regular UAs, proof of employment within 30 days of release. There's to be no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. Probation, is there any type of driving education for him to take that tells him not to speed other than playing Grand Theft Auto? But is that to help tell him not to be an aggressive driver? Because it's sort of, nobody should be doing 100 miles per hour.
No, Judge, I think it either that or you can just order a driver's defensive driving class.
All right, that'll just help him move faster. Okay. We'll just do a driving class.
I would also recommend there's a program that we actually learned about recently with probation, or not with probation, but it's called the Ready to Work program. And it will assist people with college readiness and even like tuition for classes.
Okay.
And then transition them into some type of trade or job or professional service.
All right, we'll do the Ready to Work program. Is there anything else he needs?
No, Judge, I think that's it.
And I'll do field visits one time per month in case he's living with his mom. I want to see what's going on at that household. Is there anything else you need from the court to be successful? All right, I'm sorry, what?
I'm going to be living in Corpus.
He's actually from Corpus, Your Honor. I believe that's where his mother lives, so that's going to be an issue with that.
Well, he may not, that place needs to be cleared because it doesn't sound like that's a good place to live.
Well, she don't live exactly in Corpus. She lives in Prosecution.
No, it doesn't seem like it's a good place for you to live with your mom. I don't know.
I wasn't living there before that.
All right, my orders still stand.
The field visit would be like,
He doesn't even know, he doesn't even have an address to me. He's like saying somewhere in Corpus. And
It's
then,
actually Robstown.
Robstown.
He
All
has
right.
an address.
all right, and what is that tattoo behind your neck?
Me and my brother have the same tattoo. Very short.
No, my question is, what is it a tattoo of? What is that a tattoo of behind his neck?
BFL, B4L. I'm not sure what that means, Judge.
My brother got the same tattoo.
Right, Brothers for Life. I'm not sure if that's.
All right, do a gang evaluation. I will do the transfer to Robstown, but it doesn't sound like that's a good place for him. It sounds like that's going to bring him right back here, but I will do that. Showing you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
All right, good luck to you. You better do better. Otherwise, you're going to end up right back here. Are you Mr. Keonis?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, I'm going to show you what's entitled Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilt and Revoke Community Supervision.